What if the legendary siege of Masada hid a secret lost to time? Primitive firearms wielded by Jewish rebels against the might of Rome. Picture the arid Judean desert, 73 CE, where desperate defenders crafted crude hand cannons from metal tubes and black powder. As Roman siege engines thundered below, flashes and smoke erupted from the fortress walls, startling the legionaries. Though vastly outgunned, these early firearms sowed confusion and fear, leaving historians to wonder, could these forgotten weapons have altered the fate of Masada's last stand?